guys, welcome back to Texas Mommy. So today we are going to go ahead and do our house tour. I voted, well, I didn't vote, y'all voted, and y'all said y'all wanted a house tour, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and get this camera turned around so we can start out in our living room. Okay guys, so yes, that is our front door, but we have all the animals out. We have Kagome right here on the doggy bed. We have Sai, which is our newest little bitty kitty, asleep on the couch. We have Yaiko asleep on the couch with Ichigo right here with him too. Yeah. So they're all on the couch, which is on this side. I know my couch looks ghetto, but you know what? It's a couch and it works. So of course, when we come in here, we have an old picture of my babies. We have this decor that I made a while back. I love it. If you don't, sorry, but I put a lot of work into it and absolutely love it. So I put it in this windowsill, which actually nobody ever actually uses when you think about it. So we have this other pictures of my kids. When we come over here, I do have these other pictures right there. That's like a four. I actually made this thing for my husband in the past, and I guess I took it apart. I don't even remember. I have like all that box right there is literally, so I found this vacuum that you see right there, guys. And my husband's trying to fix it for me so that I don't have to buy one because I really, really wanted one for my floors. Yeah, that's my daughter doing her schoolwork. My oldest one, my 15-year-old. And then this is right here, this wall. If you've never checked out the video, guys, I do have a video showing us actually putting this together. This is one of my favorite walls. I absolutely love that. Then when we come over here, we have my husband's grandmother's vase. Almost forgot what it's called. Sorry, guys. We have my daughter's other cat, Luna, who's just chilling over here on the floor. Black cat. She is cool sometimes. Here's my other couch. And then this is one of my other favorite walls. That one over there. Then we also have this recliner that we had gotten. When we come on the opposite side, I have this new sign I just got. I absolutely love this, guys. I actually got it at a swap party. If you have never heard what that is, pretty much like all of my friends would go ahead and get together and we get all of our stuff that we don't want and give it a, pretty much have a party and everyone gets to take whatever they want. So then we go to this one right here. Love that. My other kid playing a video game. Because yes, I'm filming this while they are home, as you can see. Eating Cheetos, whatever. Then we have this one over here. I absolutely love this too. Yes, I love everything, guys. I love pictures and all that. That is actually my grandmother's elephant. Some flowers that we put together on top. Family pictures. You know, just pretty much my mom's in there. My grandparents, my nieces. My husband's grandma and great-grandma are up in there as well. And then, like, of course, we have more pictures over here on what the TV is on. The dog bowls go down there. And then, of course, y'all have seen this room thousands of times. Go ahead and ignore the noise, guys, because I do have it going. So this will be the laundry room. And so we have our washer, dryer, detergents, and every other storage mechanism up in here. Just everything is pretty much in here, guys. So the way my house, let me get back out here so y'all can actually hear me. The way this house was made was this room that you see right here, the living room, was actually the garage at one point. So that's why it goes into the laundry room right there. Then we come into my kitchen, and that's where you'll see a microwave on the bar, coffee machine. And then this, of course, I know a lot of people have loved this. My husband loves it too. It is where all his knives go. And then we have our stove. And of course, we have a candle going. Why wouldn't we? Some towels. You know, we have our chef towel because y'all, everyone knows I love the chef theme. So I have started decorating it. Sorry, guys. So I have this new sign up here. Love that. And I've moved my other chef sign over here. Sorry, there is a dish in there. That's life. So like I said, this is the kitchen. Outside, we don't really go out there much. But we have another sign that I got right here at the swap party. This is technically the dining room area. So we're going to have our dining room table. Our fridge is in here. It's just an open concept, guys. And then I have like the dog's kennels over here. Cat litter boxes. This wall is one of my newest favorite walls that my oldest daughter and I put together. Those are just from the dollar store. That was from a dollar store, dollar store, dollar store. Those little pumpkins are from Walmart. And then when you come through here, we have a linen closet. And then we have the front bathroom, which is the one y'all see me clean a lot of times. So when you come in here, of course, there's a shower, window, toilet. Y'all always see me cleaning this mirror that I'm actually the one that broke the mirror. So shh, don't tell on me. And then of course we have, you know, our sink, toiletries, all of that. That's just like kind of this room. This right here is one of the rooms you're never going to see. This is Angie's room that is off limits. And then we have Amaya's room right here, off limits. You keep going down the hallway and you're going to go into the office, which is pretty much like my vanity everything. So y'all have already seen this room thousands of times, guys. I'm pretty sure if you've ever seen any of my other videos, this is where I keep all my makeup. So it is pretty much like, yeah, it holds all my makeup. Ignore my daughter's cat. She wants attention right now. So that was actually my mom's that I have all my makeup on. I have my desk. So it has like my Cricut, my little mini Chromebook, some stuff I'm working on, other things up here. I keep a lot of stuff, guys. Another painting, my addiction to jewelry is hanging right there. And then I have my new printer, easy press, vinyl, my Texas Mommy sign. Love that. Actually, a friend of mine, her husband made it for me. So I love it. Then we have our big mirror. You always see me. Yes, I record with that. My daughter's cat again next to the elephant. And then actually behind her is my mother. So if you didn't know, yes, hi Luna. Hi Luna, Luna. Yeah, you just want attention, huh? So this is actually my mom back here. If you've never seen her, that's me and my mom, my older brother and my mom, and my little brother and my mom. And so this is actually what my mom is in. So I keep her there with me all the time. My husband's desk, and of course my rocking chair. Everyone knows I love this rocking chair. It actually came from California a long time ago with my dad. Then you'll come over here and go into my wonderful bedroom that is mine and my husband's, of course. So we have his cowboy hats. TV has like a lot of like the little bitty games, has the original Nintendo, Super Nintendo, fan, blue chair, his clothes that I've already ironed and that are hanging there. Our dresser, which if you watched the video before this, you know I had posted a clean with me of this room. So that is that. Hampers, pictures, again, daughter's cat that wants a lot of attention apparently. And then like my shoes are there. I love this sign actually up here. This actually goes along with the scripture. If you didn't know this one, I love this. It's like, love is patient, love is kind, love bears all things, hopes all things, believes in all things, endures in all things. So this is actually one of my favorite scriptures because of the fact that, you know, it's about love and I am married. So what else other kind of love other than my love for God? So that's the only person that's the only person I love more than my husband would be Jehovah God. But other than that, we have closet space. So this is my side. If you didn't know, guys, I actually do have this organized where I have all my jackets and sweaters right here. And then it goes into skirts, pants, blouses, which I have a lot of those actually, and shorter dresses. So like my shorter dresses, and they're not much shorter, but yeah, shorter dresses, and then really long dresses in the back. Husband's not as much organized. And then last but not least, we have our half bath right here, which again, if you just watched the video before the, like, not before this one, there'll be a video after this one of me cleaning this bathroom. So that's that, guys. And yeah, that is my house. So that is it, guys. That is my house tour. I know it is not much, but I love my home. It is beautiful. I love that we're finally able to start decorating it and putting up new things in here, guys, new decorations and everything else, especially with the change of seasons. So that'll be fun now that we are officially in fall. I can add more beautiful things into my home. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you're brand new, and I will see you guys later. Bye guys, love you.